Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to log into hosting a mail. So it's really easy to do. You can follow along with me. So to start with, log into your hosting account. And from the home page, we're going to search the left-hand pane and click on the tab that says emails. From here, a page will open with all the free business emails that you've created with Hostinger. Then you want to locate the one that you want to open. From there, we're going to look over to the right hand side where it says mailboxes. I'm going to click on that, and this is where you can manage your mailboxes. If you want to log into that email account, you can click onto webmail. That will open up a new page. So I'm going to click on there. Then you'll be asked to log into hosting a mail. So from here, all you need to do is add in your email address and password and click log in, and you'll be able to check your hosting a mail. So that's it. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.